Hello and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to create a bridal bouquet with some blue spring flowers. Blue is a very often color that is requested by my brides. However, it is very difficult for me to find blue flowers, especially in the fall and winter time. They're very common in the spring. For example, these hydrangeas, these blue hydrangeas. I also have some blue irises and some blue hyacinths. As mentioned in our previous videos, soft-stemmed spring flowers like hyacinths or irises, they need to be paired with some hard stem greenery like Israeli ruscas, for example. This provides support in order to prevent them from breaking in your bridal bouquet while you are building your bouquet. Since hydrangeas need a lot of water, they are called hydrangea for that reason. They need a lot of water. They will go dehydrated within 2 hours without water. I have a secret as to how you can keep them hydrated in your bouquet during your ceremony and overnight. So I will show you that secret. Begin building your bouquet. Remember, add greenery as you go along. Use hard stem greenery that has a very tough stem. Once again, this is for support of your flowers. You don't want them to break while you're building your bouquet, and you don't want them to break during your ceremony. Put your hyacinths in between your hydrangea like so. Fill in any gaps with irises, and do not forget to add your greenery. Once again, this is extremely important. You do not want to break your spring flowers. You want to add your hard stem greenery in order to provide that extra support. Be very gentle while holding your bouquet. Don't hold it too tight as the stems might snap. When it becomes difficult to hold, you can start to tape it to make it easier for your hands. Use the iris as filler. Continue adding any greenery that you'd like. In this case, I will be adding Aspidistra leaves. This is my little accent, the little finishing touch. I just simply take my Aspidistra leaf and I fold it over. This creates extra support for your flowers. Blue flowers are very difficult to find in nature. So blue bouquets like this are extremely rare, and yet they are so beautiful and so popular. Very commonly asked by many of my brides. But it does, however, create a very beautiful and elegant bouquet. Once you're done, wrap your stem up in tape. Cut the stems to your desired length, and now we're going to wrap it in some satin ribbon. you're going to apply some more tape. This time you're going to flip it over so that the sticky part is facing upwards. You're also going to want to cut your stems much shorter. This is when I'm going to show you the secret as to how to keep your hydrangea hydrated. So you're going to wet some cotton, not a lot, just a little bit, enough to wrap the bottom of your bouquet. You're going to take a plastic bag without any holes in it. You're going to put your bouquet into that plastic bag, take an elastic, tie it together, and now your hydrangea has a water supply. You're also going to take some fabric of any kind. Here I am using some non-woven material. You're simply just going to cover that plastic bag part and hide it away with some fabric and then tie it together with an elastic. Now you're going to take your satin ribbon and you're going to begin wrapping it up. Since we have the sticky tape on top of our bouquet stem over here, the ribbon is going to easily stick to it. We're going to take some pins and secure it at the top. Unlike in our other videos, we secure it at the bottom, but in this case, we're going to secure it at the top. This is due to the plastic bag, and we don't want to puncture it because then the water will leak out. Now your bouquet has enough water supply to live overnight. So wrap your bouquet in some cellophane and put it in your fridge. Spray it with some water and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your comments, questions, and concerns below, and don't forget to subscribe.